What's up? This is Izzy.
I'm John.
And today,
we bring you a special.
a really big special.
That was Attack and True.
Yeah, so Attack. Anyways, today we're having a competition.
Oh, we've been having some debates.
Arguments.
Debates, whatever you want to call them.
Okay, my question for you.
Yeah, our question.
Anyways, our question for you guys is... Hey, our questions for you guys. Which one's better?
Guitar Hero
or Rock Band?
Now vote down there in the comment section.
In that little comment.
That little box. Yeah.
And we want to know what your choice is.
I'm serious, like so random.
Anyway, your favorite choice.
Erica, I got a question.
What?
Okay. You know, we're still having problems with our camera.
Problems?
Yeah, you know the problem.
Problems?
But to be specific, what did focus?
Oh, I'm focused. I'm right here.
Okay. Why did Shelby call? She want to wish you happy birthday.
Today is not my birthday.
Oh well, why'd the chicken cross the road? I'm in the playground.
Playground?
Yeah, the playground.
Well, that was the road.
Well, he crossed the playground.
Well, I thought it was the road.
Oh, you Americans.
Now, random dancing. Wait, it's not pulling up. Okay.
Okay, Erica.
That's the best part.
What? Ah!
It's the best part. Freaking no.
Well,
John, did you just do what I think you just did?
What?
You turned off the best part of Attack.
Oh crap. Oh, gee, don't throw me. Don't throw me. Oh.
Don't hurt him.
Oh, she didn't. I'm alive. Barely. Oh.
This has been Izzy.
And John.
My neighbor. We want to know.
What's your favorite? Guitar Hero?
Or Rock Band?
Signing out, y'all.
Bye.
Keep it cool.